Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return at home. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget to collect records for potential deductions and credits, like student loan interest or charitable contributions. Having your Social Security number and last year's tax return readily available will also streamline the process significantly. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to file. Many people opt for tax software, with both free and paid versions available. If your adjusted gross income is below a certain threshold, often around $79,000, you might qualify for IRS Free File, which offers guided preparation. Take some time to compare different software options to find one that best fits your needs and comfort level. Once you've selected your software, it's time to input your information. Carefully enter all your income details from W-2s and 1099, along with any deductions or credits you're claiming. Accuracy is key here, so double-check every number. Before moving on, take a moment to review your entire return. Many software programs offer a final review feature to catch common mistakes, which can save you time and stress later. Finally, it's time to file your return. Most people choose to e-file, which is the fastest and most secure method. If you owe taxes, you can typically set up a direct debit from your bank account or explore other payment options. After filing, remember to save copies of your completed return and all supporting documents. It's recommended to keep these records for at least 3 years, just in case you need them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.